So again, sir, thank you so much for coming and we had a great session.
It was my pleasure, sir.
The one thing I want to ask you, how's your experience when you, because I'm sure that you attended so many conferences, spoke to so many conferences, right? But how's your experience where you are in Gujarat? You already part of so many organizations, right? How was the overall experience?
So honestly speaking, I'm pleasantly surprised seeing the vibrancy in Gujarat. Otherwise, when I shifted to Gujarat 2 years back, I never thought that Gujarat on technical side, on IT side, will be so vibrant. So this is amazing having the Google developer groups here, having PMI groups here. So much is happening out of Gujarat. Other Gujarat was famous for food and people and vibrancy and enjoying the life. But on the technical side, now I'm seeing that Gujarat is going to make a lot of difference. So next decade is going to be Gujarat's decade now. I can confidently say that thing.
हाँ अभी बोल सकते हैं कि खाने पीने के अलावा भी हम लोग और कुछ बारे में सोच सकते हैं.
हम लोग खा पी के काम भी कर रहे हैं.
So how was your interaction with the participants or the volunteers?
So it was amazing. So right from when I said yes for this event, the way we basically talked, we communicated, the groups and the tools were used. That was amazing. When I reached here, before that I got a call as well from the volunteers that sir, once you reach here, I saw the volunteer on the main gate. So overall interaction with the rest of the fellow speakers, that was also amazing. So overall, I can say so far it was a very well managed, well thought through event. So hopefully it will continue the same way. I'm pretty confident about that as well. Looking at the planning and the stuff and the time and energy you guys have put into it, that is mind blowing.
So the only thing that we are strongly believing, communication and collaboration that we are doing, not just the speakers, sponsors, stakeholders, but also with the volunteers, participants, everyone, because that's the key, right?
Right.
I think that's the key management. और the problem है सर कि कंपनीज में ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ पे ये सब चीज़ कर सकते हैं.
Exactly.
एंड एक्चुअली ये हमारा फर्स्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस है और ये कम्युनिटी भी हम लोगों ने 1 साल पहले चालू किया. वी स्टार्टेड लाइक लास्ट ईयर.
Okay.
सो इट वॉज कि हम लोग कर पाएंगे क्योंकि नॉर्मली कोई भी फर्स्ट इवेंट है ना 100 के ऊपर कभी नहीं करता है. वी आर टारगेटेड कि 600 लोगों का करना है. सो वांटेड टू हियर लेट हाउ इज द लाइक द वाइब ऑफ द क्लाउड कम्युनिटी डेज गांधीनगर एंड व्हेन यू बिकॉज ऑनबोर्डिंग के बाद हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस कि अब बाकी सब चीज़ों के बारे में इफ यू हैव एनी फीडबैक दैट वी कैन इम्प्रूव एज वेल.
No, so I have only all positive feedbacks here. So like I can confidently say if Gujaratis થાઈને જે બે કંઈ કરવાનું છે તો કરીને જ નાખ અને they do it so well. I can bet like no one can beat Gujaratis in event management as well. So all kudos to the team here. The way you guys have basically evangelized the whole event, whole community here. And I'm pretty sure that next time you will be struggling for the seats here. There will be much more people standing beside and you have to stop people not to come to office. You have to do that thing.
Actually, sir, yesterday as well, few people requested we open for them because there are corporate people, a few from IBM as well. और आज सुबह भी 7-8 लोग आ गए कि हमको रजिस्टर करना है, आज हमको चाहिए. तो हमको उनको ऑन द स्पॉट अभी सुबह रजिस्टर करना पड़ा. तो दैट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग फॉर अस.
No, so
that as well.
I'm pretty sure that this will go up as time goes.
No, for sure. And these people will join because ultimately, as a leader, his job is to bring the new leaders into the community.
Yes.
That's the ultimate goal. Sir, cybersecurity is one of the very booming domain, right? And
Right.
you shared a couple of topics like IAM, which is very underrated topic.
Underrated.
For me, it's very underrated topic. So what do you think in the cybersecurity as people who wanted to shift their career? I'm talking as a professional perspective because as you know, security is something which plays in every role.
Right.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि what is the future role of cybersecurity? Which areas people should have which is underrated?
So I can say that see, applications of security is going to be on the rise. Next 1 decade will be the era of cybersecurity professionals. So we have seen the era of Python developers, Java developers, along with AI. We are seeing an entirely new type of cybersecurity coming our way. We are seeing with quantum computers, I touch base on the quantum computers, whole security is broken. So there's a lot to do in security. We are not being able to do enough. And that is the reason you will see in Gujarat, in GIFT City itself, you will see universities coming up with only pure cybersecurity related courses.
Yes.
IBM basically set up an organization here purely for the cybersecurity.
This GIFT City setup is pure cybersecurity, right?
It's cybersecurity and sustainability.
Okay.
But majority of those part is going to cybersecurity as well.
Okay.
So almost all our organizations these days are focusing on cybersecurity because, see, we can earn money, but if you are not being able to protect that money, it is of no use.
Doesn't make sense. No, you rightly said. You rightly said. To be honest, I wanted to explore so much, but I think we don't have that much time. But I'm
Right.
going to have more discussion with you on this.
Definitely,
And the people who are listening to this, please explore the world of cybersecurity. There's so many opportunities. I put the link as well about the IBM careers and all the opportunities that have. Follow sir as well. And I think Google Cloud also, they're focusing a lot on the cloud. So I think every cloud provider does that because they know 100% security is a myth. Everyone knows that. But to prevent that, you can take that measure.
How much we can basically stop the bad hackers, bad attackers from basically exploiting us and harming us. Right now we have not touched base on the privacy part. In India, privacy is myth. In the world, we live in the digital world, privacy is very difficult.
Very
so how do we basically maintain our privacy? So that is also very interesting to learn.
Interesting, excellent.
So anyone who wish to basically talk to me, get in touch with me, connect with me on LinkedIn.
Yes, for sure. I'm glad to have you, sir. Thank you so much for coming.
Same here. It was my pleasure. Tanvi.
Likewise,
Thank you.
sir. Likewise,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.